शुभ स्वागतम दशम्यां कक्षायां वयं दशमी कक्षायाः शेमुषी पाठ्यपुस्तके सुभाषितानि पठन्तः स्मः। सुष्ठु भाषितानि सुभाषितानि। सु नाम उत्तमं, भाषितं नाम कथितम्। उत्तमं वचनमेव सुभाषितं भवति। तस्याः पर्यायपदं सूक्तिः इत्यपि भवति। अद्यतनं सुभाषितं पश्यामः। क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां। क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय। देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय। यथा स्थितः काष्ठगतो हि वह्निः। यथा स्थितः काष्ठगतो हि वह्निः स एव वह्निर्दहते शरीरम्। स एव वह्निर्दहते शरीरम्। क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां। मनुष्याणां प्रथमः शत्रुः क्रोधः। द फर्स्ट and worst enemy of the human is our anger. Dehasthito deha vinashanaya. It stays in our body, but it spoils our own body. Yatha sthitah kashtagato hi vanhihi. As fire stays in the wood, saeva vanhir dahate shariram. The same fire which lives in the wood burns the wood. In the same way, the anger which lives in our body will be spoiling our own body. It will be burning our own body. So, my dear students, we must control anger. Telling is very easy, but following is very difficult. But by practice, you can achieve everything. Now we will see the Padacheda of this shloka. Padacheda follows like this. Krodhaha hi shatruhu prathamaha naranam dehasthitaha deha vinashanaya yatha sthitaha काष्ठगतः हि वह्निः स एव वह्निः दहते शरीरम्। पुनः पदच्छेदं पठामः। क्रोधः हि शत्रुः प्रथमः नराणां देहस्थितः देहविनाशनाय यथा स्थितः काष्ठगतः हि वह्निः सह एव वह्निः दहते शरीरम्। Here you can observe that some of the North Indians will pronounce it as a vahni because ha comes first. But in the South Indian pronunciation it is vanhi. Vanhi we pronounce, but it is written vahni. Just like even Brahma. North Indians pronounce it as a Brahma, whereas we pronounce it as a Brahma. Like this. Please bear with this. Idanim अन्वयं पश्यामः। अन्वयः एवं वर्तते। नराणां देहविनाशनाय प्रथमः शत्रुः देहस्थितः क्रोधः। यथा काष्ठगतः स्थितः वह्निः काष्ठम् एव दहते तथा स एव देहस्थितः क्रोधः शरीरं दहते। पुनरेकवारं पठामः। अन्वयः नराणां देहविनाशनाय प्रथमः शत्रुः देहस्थितः क्रोधः। यथा काष्ठगतः स्थितः वह्निः काष्ठम् एव दहते तथा स एव देहस्थितः क्रोधः शरीरं दहते। नराणां विनाशाय मनुष्याणां विनाशाय प्रथमः शत्रुः प्रथमः वैरिः प्रथमः अरिः भवति देहस्थितः क्रोधः। देहस्थितः शरीरस्थितः कोपः एव शरीरविनाशनाय कारणीभूतः भवति। To spoil our body, the main reason, the worst enemy is the anger which is staying in our own body. As यथा काष्ठगतः स्थितः वह्निः, काष्ठे स्थितः वह्निः काष्ठम् एव दहते. As the fire which is there in the wood is going to burn the wood, tatha, like that, saeva, he is only the anger which is there in the body, shariram dahate, it will burn the body. That's why we must learn to protect ourselves from this anger. This anger is not going to serve anything. That's why as less as anger we should not be angry. Next we will see the shabdarthas. Shabdarthah evam agacchati. Shabdarthah krodhah. क्रोधः नाम कोपः, शत्रुः अरिः, नराणां मनुष्याणां, देहस्थितः शरीरस्थः, देहविनाशनाय शरीरनाशाय, काष्ठं नाम दारु. Daru means don't take it as a Bijapur daru. Okay, daru means wood. Recently we had Jagannatha Rath Yatra in the Puri. The famous Jagannatha Rath Yatra has taken place. For Jagannatha idol, the people in Orissa call it as a Daru Brahma. Daru Brahma means the only idol in India which is made of the wood. Even though the idol is so famous, but generally everywhere we see the stone carved statues, whereas Jagannatha is called wood carved. That's why it is called Daru Brahma. Daru means kashtam. It is made up of the wood. So for your benefit, I will read once again all the words and their meanings. Krodhaha, kopaha, anger. Shatruhu, arihi, vairihi, enemy. Naranam, manushyanam, peoples. Dehasthitaha, sharirasthaha, who lives in the body. Deha vinashanaya, to spoil the body, sharira nashaya. Kashtaha nama daru iti bhavati. Tathogre kinchit pashyamaha. Bhavatam spashta avagamanartham kinchit chitrarupena atra sampaditam asti. तत्पूर्वम एतस्मात् श्लोकात् व्याकरणांशान् पश्यामः. प्रथमं सन्धयः. क्रोधो हि, क्रोधः हि, क्रोधो हि. प्रथमो नराणां, प्रथमः नराणां, प्रथमो नराणां. काष्ठगतो हि, काष्ठगतः अधिकं हि, काष्ठगतो हि. वह्निर्दहते, वह्निर्दहते, वह्निः अधिकं दहते, वह्निर्दहते. अत्र पश्यन्तु. क्रोधो हि, क्रोधः अधिकं हि. Visarga is becoming O. It is the Visarga Sandhi. क्रोधः अधिकं हि क्रोधो हि प्रथमो नराणां प्रथमः अधिकं नराणां here also visarga is becoming o, that's why prathamo it has become kashtagato hi kashtagataha adhikam hi here also visarga is becoming o, that's why kashtagato hi vanhir dahate vanhihi adhikam dahate here visarga is becoming refa vanhir it is becoming refa. So before the visarga if it is e u ru a I then visarga will become refa. We have learnt it. vanhihi adhikam dahate vanhir dahate. पुनरेकवारं सन्धिः पश्यामः क्रोधो हि क्रोधः अधिकं हि प्रथमो नराणां प्रथमः अधिकं नराणां काष्ठगतो हि काष्ठगतः अधिकं हि वह्निर्दहते वह्निः अधिकं दहते वह्निर्दहते. अत्र सर्वत्रापि विशेषः नाम अस्मिन् श्लोके सर्वत्रापि विसर्गसन्धिः. चत्वारि उदाहरणानि अपि विसर्गसन्धेः एव उदाहरणानि सन्ति. भवन्तः पूर्वमेव अधीतवन्तः विसर्गः ओ भवति, विसर्गस्य लोपः भवति, विसर्गः श भवति, विसर्गः श भवति, विसर्गः स भवति, विसर्गः रेफः भवति इत्यादि विषयाः भवद्भिः अवगताः. इदानीं क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणां देहस्थितो देहविनाशनाय इति श्लोकस्य भावार्थम् अर्थं यथाशक्ति किञ्चित् चित्रेषु प्रदर्शयितुं प्रयत्नं करोमि. So I am going to make you to understand by looking at the pictures. So in this shloka we learned that the anger is the first enemy. You can see here when anger comes, even you quarrel with your own friends. क्रोधो हि शत्रुः प्रथमो नराणाम. You are not quarreling with your friend, you are quarreling with your own enemy, that is the anger. See the anger first burns the picture. You can see it is burning the head. Anger first burns the head. Next you can see you will be angry with your own family members who are always serving for you. Your mother, your father, your wife, your husband, your children, who are there as a support for you always, you are angry with them. That's why, my dear friends, no, anger is the first enemy. Where is he? Dehasthito. See the faces, how ridiculous they are. How they are making the faces. Dehasthitaha. First in this picture we will see the anger which is there in the body is spoiling the beauty of the face. How they are squeezing their face. It is because of their anger. Dehasthito deha vinashanaya. Nobody looks smart. Nobody looks beautiful when they are angry. Understood? That's why dehasthitaha deha vinashanaya. It is in the body, but it spoils the body. Next, yatastitah kashta gate gato hi vanhihi. See, you can see the forest where wood is there everywhere. So when the fire takes in the forest, it will burn all the wood in the forest. Yatastitah kashta gato hi vanhihi. Fire is there in the wood, but the same fire which is in the wood is going to burn the same wood. Like this, in the Saeva vanhir dahate shariram. The same fire is going to burn the body. This side you can see the wood is burning whereas in the next picture you can see the body is burning. Like this, we are understanding that the anger is the worst enemy for us. So let us be calm and do some exercises to maintain the calm. So let us do something good for others and let us be good for us too. Bhavatu shubhadinam, bhavatu anudinam. श्वः पुनः एकं सुभाषितं स्वीकृत्य भवतां पुरतः उपस्थितो भविष्यामि. भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनम्.